Hello friends, this is RK from RK Share Market and Investments. It's a short video on Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis. Which index option can you choose for tomorrow's trading? Whether it will be a call option or a put option. Which strike price will give you a maximum benefit? All these things will be discussed in this short video. This video is created for educational purpose. Share market trading involves huge financial risk, and consult your financial advisor before investment. Let us go to the Nifty graph. So this is how Nifty performed throughout the day. So it started with a kind of positive note, so the opening was little drop, so this huge drop gave a kind of very big movement in the kind of market. So normally don't enter into Nifty or Bank Nifty during the first 5 to 10 minutes of time, so it will just eat up your premium, or it will not give you a kind of positive momentum. So allow the market to settle for first 5 to 10 minutes time and then enter always. So after this it has just posted a kind of steady movement throughout the day, and here you can see the perfect rejection at 9320 level, which is our 38% Fibonacci retracement level, where it got rejected and then it went down up to 9250 level and then bounced back, and these two are kind of bull trap. So these two areas were kind of bull trap and allow some buyers to buy at this level, and then again it went dropped back to the levels. So again it is closed below this Fibonacci retracement level of 9320, and also it has not touched the trend line, so it is still within that movement. And let us see the days graph. So in days chart, if you see, there is nothing more to explain. Again it is well within this channel. So tomorrow if it opens a little bit positive, it might gain the same momentum, and it might trade up to this 9400 level, and it might drop back to this level. So if it is making a kind of momentum, let us give one day time, and then how the week is kind of consolidating, we will see. And if you go into the weekly chart also, it is a kind of good supply zone. You can see a very good supply zone, and if it tries to close above this 9400 level, you can go ahead for the long positions. So 9400 is the another level which Nifty has to break to consider that as a kind of long. Until then you have to wait and watch. Let us go to the Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty on a daily chart, it has crossed this trend level, and we have to see, otherwise we have to draw another trend also, like maybe after tomorrow's closing I will be able to generate a next trend level, because I think this trend line is no more valid, because it has formed two very good three very good candles above the trend line. So this trend line is no more valid. We have to create another one, or we have to consider next trend line wherever it is possible. And then if it goes little bit over here, up to this 21,000 level, we have to closely watch up to this level. So that will be a crucial level for the Bank Nifty for tomorrow and the coming week ahead. And on a 5-minute chart, it was a kind of very good clear uptrend indicator, and you can see this Bank Nifty gave a kind of very good support for the Nifty to move up today. Let us go to the kind of option chain data. This is for the next week closing, that is 30th April closing option chain, and very good build up at this 9500 level, which means Nifty might not cross this 9500 level. And you can see at the same time heavy, very high put options build up over here, almost a 34 lakh contract has been placed, which will be act as a very good support for the Nifty. So these guys will not allow the Nifty to go below 9000 level. At the same time, this is where the maximum pain is. So here 34 lakhs, and then here almost a 13 lakh plus, so almost a 50 lakh contract or open interest has been placed at this 9000 level, where the maximum pain is placed. So 9000 level is a very good level to be watched out for the coming week. The Bank Nifty, again, if you draw to the same level, it might be this 9500, or maybe up to this 19000 level it might drop. 19500 is a key level to watch. If it drops another like around 800 points, it will be the points where it can settle when Nifty settles somewhere at 9000 level for the coming week. So these two levels has to be watched. We will discuss in depth about on why in the coming days, because today is the first day it got generated, and because of monthly expiry, the open interest is a little bit high. But we have to consider only a day when this weekly option chain writers and buyers are coming into the play. So let us give it a day break, and then we will discuss in detail about tomorrow. SGX Nifty is trading a little bit positive, and we have to wait till tomorrow morning how it is going to operate. It is somewhere trading at 9,000 320 20 points. It is flat or little bit positive. So let us give some time for the open interest to settle, but yes, Nifty is playing a very good role. Like 9,000 will be a very good level to watch out for tomorrow. Let us see the chart slides. So these were the levels which I discussed yesterday. So the opening I suggested for this 9,200 call option and 19,700 put option, both are very good winners. So this is the gain if you have entered in the morning itself. So this is the gain which you can see, 84 rupees at Nifty, and then with the Bank Nifty 300 points gain. But this low is formed in the first 5 minutes time. So this 34 is the first 5 minutes low, and this 142 is the first 5 minutes low. So most probably you might be able to catch somewhere below if you are trading immediately or something like that. But it was a kind of very good day if you are into the CE position, but there was no kind of chances for this PE because it was a kind of Paka trending day. And if you have sold in the range of that 12:30 to 1:30 time, where it has given a kind of a good breakout. So during this time, after this 12:30, as I said, like whenever it reaches this kind of 9,300 level, you can go ahead for the C level. So there you might have seen some kind of a positiveness or some kind of gains during with this kind of P. So this is what I have indicated clearly. Like whenever this Nifty reaches 9,300 level, go close your CE position and then open this PA position. So this fall almost like a 150 points fall from 9,320 to 9,230. So almost like a 100-point fall. It gave kind of very good momentum in your PE side. So this was the fall which I was talking about, and this might have given you kind of something positive, but I have not considered that one. I have considered this as a kind of loss or maybe kind of not executable trade. So for this CE have done a very good job. What you can do for tomorrow? So tomorrow, considering the market might open a little bit positive and it might touch that 9,400 level, you can consider this 9,500 CE for opening trade. You can consider this 9,500 CE, but as I said, like give 5 to 10 minutes of time so that this premium might settle down a bit, and then you will be able to take a very good trade. And if it reverses from that 9,400 level, you can consider this 9,300 put option. So opening, if it is positive, you can consider this 9,500 call option, and then if it closes or if it turns negative, you can consider this 9,300 put option. And on the Bank Nifty side, the same thing. So if it gives a kind of positive momentum, you can consider this 20,600 call option, which is trading at almost 400 rupees, will be a very good entry. And then if it trades positive, and then it might reverse from the 21,000 level or 21,800 level, so during which you can take this 20,300 put option. 20,300 put option is currently trading at 700 rupees. So if market goes a little bit up, it might drop up to somewhere around 500 to 400 levels, where you can have a very good buy. So if it reverses, you can go for this 20,300. So let me conclude on the Nifty side. Tomorrow expecting a flat or little bit positive opening, which might give you an entry for 9,500 level. Once the market touches 9,400 level, there might be some reversal happens. So during that time, close this call option side and then enter into 9,300 put option. The same thing with Bank Nifty. So morning there may be slight positives. It might go up to the 20,800 level, where you can consider this 20,600, which is a OTM put call option, 20,600 call option. And if it reverses from the 20,800 to 21,000 level, you can consider this 20,300 put option or 20,600 put option. So those two will be a very good entry. If you want to trade a little bit conservative, you can go ahead with 20,300, or if you want to go a little bit in the money or a little bit at the money, you can consider this 20,600 put option. Thank you, and have a peaceful and a profitable trading day ahead.